I spent 5,000 pesos in Mexico. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you everything that I bought in Mexico because I spent 5,000 pesos, which is actually quite insane if you think about it. If you actually do convert it over, it's a bit over £200, but yeah, let's get on with it. I'll show you what I bought. With the money I spent it in two different shops. The first shop I went to was Forever 21. I do love this shop. I love going to different clothes shops I like, but in different countries, because it's always got different things you've never seen before. It's going to be kind of a try on at the same time, but from back in Mexico in the change rooms when I was trying them on. So this is the first item I bought, which is a pink dress. I'm going to try to show you it in the frame. It's not that easy, but I'm absolutely in love with this. It's quite wrinkled because it's been sat in my chair waiting to film this video for 3 weeks now. But I absolutely love this so much. It's so comfy. It stretches a little bit, but not too much. But I love these little clasps on the front. I think they just make the outfit look complete. I absolutely love this dress. I also bought this dress in white. I've no idea where it is right now. Pretty sure it's in the wash, but I'm not sure. But I do have the try on from that one as well that I'll just insert after this. I love the dress. It's so comfy. I love how vibrant it is. I don't really wear bright coloured dresses, and when I saw it I was like, that's nice to have any other colours, because I didn't really like it at first, but then I thought, do you know what, I'm going to try it on in white and in pink. I tried the pink on. I thought, do you know, this is kind of a bit of, not a statement dress, but it's a bit of colour. Like if I was tanned, which right now I'm really not, but if I was tanned, it'd bring out the tan really nicely. And I think with this, some white heels, pink toenails, pink fingernails, it'd look amazing. And they're the kind of thing that I tried on and I thought, I'm not actually going to like this, but I'll try it on anyway. And it was really good. So I actually only bought 5 things from Forever 21 and they were all dresses. This is the next one, which is this gold dress, and I absolutely love this. I thought it was quite delicate and pretty and just a nice little dress. It's golden and very sparkly, which are two things that I absolutely adore. So I also got the dress in pink, which I cannot decide whether I like the pink one or the golden better. I think it depends on my mood, the occasion, that kind of thing. But I have been feeling that I just don't have enough dresses and variety in my clothing. So I got these as two nice little going out dresses. You know, I wore them a couple of nights in Mexico and I just really like them. They are so comfy. I'm not always a massive fan of sparkly clothes because sometimes when your arms are down by your side, it can scratch your arm a bit, but this was actually surprisingly pretty soft. It's not actually sparkles, it's just kind of sparkly material, if you can see that. It's just kind of sparkly material. There's no actual glitter or pieces of sparkle or anything like that on it, so that's quite good. It's really, really good material though. It's really, really soft, it's bright yellow on the inside, which I love. But it's really soft. It's kind of velvety in a way. So this is the last item I bought from Forever 21. It's this dress. I do have a dress quite similar, but it's more white and grey rather than black and white. I love this so much. I love these kind of dresses. I've kind of got into them quite a lot lately. I think the reason is mainly because they can be worn for different events and circumstances and situations. Because you could wear this just kind of as it is, you know, to go out to spoons or anything like that. But you could also wear it with a top like I've got now. Underneath you can just go wear it to uni or to college, or you could just wear it around the house. And I just think it's a good kind of dress that's kind of but I could wear it for loads of different situations, and I just really like that. So the next place I went shopping was Sephora. I've been to Sephora once before, and that was in France, but I wasn't really into Sephora-y things at that point, so I never actually have properly been. I thought it was really weird in the shop because as we walked in, we kind of went in, but then we went down an escalator as soon as we went in. I was like, whoa, it was really weird. It's like a room with literally just an escalator. We went down the escalator and then
it was like a whole new world had appeared.
It was pretty cool. But yeah, the first thing I saw was the highlighters, because it had a Sephora stand. The first thing I saw was the highlighters, and this is the first thing I actually tried. I love this because it's kind of a subtle, if you see it there, it looks really vibrant and really purple, but if you kind of look at it on my hand, you can see there's a purple glow, but it's still pretty subtle. but it's really nice at the same time. Yeah, I just absolutely adore this. I bought another one of these in gold. I've no idea where I've put it, but I've got another one of these in gold. It's just the exact same. It's just such a pretty, summery glow. I think it would blend really well. The next thing I bought, I actually saw this on Molly May's YouTube channel because I'm obsessed. I love it. But I saw this on her YouTube channel, and I think her makeup always looks insane. Like, she always looks so pretty, with and without makeup, but she's really good at doing her makeup. And I saw this. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. And first of all, can we just appreciate the packaging? When you open it up, like, it's just so nice. It took me about 10 minutes to work out how to get the packaging back together. But it opens up like that, and it comes out a little box. I just think it's really cute, and it kind of tells you what to do there, which is quite cool, because a lot of things like that don't tell you what to do anymore. And it also shows you on the back where to apply it. You know, you kind of get these kind of things that spill over all over your bag, but it's a really secure lid. I just think it looks so cute. I'm not sure. I think it's shade Sugar Cookie, but yeah, it's the white one. The item I bought was also inspired by Molly May. She uses this foundation. It's not the same shade as she has, although I think I would get it. If I got it again, I'd get it in a shade darker. Just one shade, just to make me look a bit more tanned. So this is the NARS foundation. It is so good. It's a natural radiant long-wear foundation. It is so, so good. I will try find the shade that I got. I think it's M1, which is medium one, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it is so nice, and I really like the foundation I used before, but it was a bit too glittery for me. And this one is quite matte, and it just goes really well into the skin. It feels quite kind of sensitive to the skin, like it's good for sensitive skin. It's just really nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm absolutely hating the lighting right now because I use my Alexa, my Amazon Alexa, to power all my lights in my room, apart from my main one above me right now, and our Wi-Fi has completely gone down, so I cannot have my Alexa on at all, so my lights will not come on. So the lighting right now is really bad, and I look really red, and yeah, I'm not a fan. But I don't actually know if I'm actually going to be able to get this video up now. I completely did the video, filmed it, edited it and everything, and I thought, oh my god, I've completely forgotten to even film an outro for it. So I'm filming that now, but with no Wi-Fi, I don't know if it'll upload or not. But apart from that, everything else is ready to go up, so I really, really hope it uploads tonight. But I'm really not too sure if it's going to or not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, guys. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!